Greetings to all. My name is Aditya Dandare, enrollment number 1913009, third year Computer Department, GP Nagpur. The task to create student management system using the Python's tkinter library and MySQL was assigned and I have successfully completed it, and this is the demonstration video. In the code, tkinter library is used to design the interface and MySQL or connector library to give us access to MySQL databases. Connection function here is used to establish connection with the particular database in MySQL. Function verifier will verify the entry fields. If the data is not given in the interface, it will print particular data field is required and will return 1, and else if the data is given in the input, it will return 0. The function add student will add the data that we have given it as input into the database using the create table query and insert into student values query. New student will display the data from the database. Delete student is used to delete a particular record from the database using the roll number. The student will update a particular record from the database using the roll number. Function close is used to close the tkinter window or interface. This is the part where the tkinter is designed using the labels, the entry boxes, a text area which will work as a display, and buttons. In the login section, by giving the correct username and password, the tkinter window for student management system will open. Clicking on the view student, it will display the record from the database. Input the data into the entry fields, and clicking on the add student, it will add the data into the database. This is how the update info button will work. Let's try adding one more data into the database. Clicking on the add student, it will successfully add the data into the database, and the close button will close the interface. These are the data that we have added into the database. We can delete the record just by using the roll number. In MySQL command line client, we can check whether the data we have given is present in the database or not. Here we can see that the data is present into the database in the table format, which means that the student management system is working completely fine. That's it from my side. Thank you.